like to introduce myself to you. My name is Ben Catherine and it's my pleasure to be your customer service manager on board this morning's British Airways flight taking you to London's Heathrow. I would like to add a special warm welcome to you all. Welcome back those members of our British Airways Executive Club and those joining us from our various One World frequent flyer programs, especially American Airlines. I am gladly assisted this morning by Patricia, Greg and Charlotte, and if there's anything myself or the team can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and this must be securely fastened should the seatbelt signs be turned on. When it's safe to leave your seats, do take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before we start our onboard service this morning, we will be passing through the cabin with landing cards for the United Kingdom. If the United Kingdom or the Republic of Ireland is your final destination today and you do not hold a European passport, you will need to complete a landing card. However, if you are in direct transit to another international flight upon arrival into Heathrow, there is no need for you to complete one. If you are unsure whether you need to complete any documentation, please do ask one of us. Well, for those customers sat in our Club Europe cabin this morning, we'll be offering you a complimentary breakfast and any drinks from the bar. In Eurotraveller, we have a great selection of food and drinks available for purchase this morning. You can find details of today's Marks & Spencer's onboard menu in your seat pocket. You can pay either using a credit or a debit card, and for our Executive Club members we also